What's up, gang? It's your boy Vic, and I'm back with another video. And as you see, this is part 2 of the car wash day. And I'm right here with the Nissan. Got it already set up, ready to go. You know, and I got everything already. I just didn't take everything out yet. You know, there ain't no big, you know. And as you still using the same stuff, that. Use this, you know, give it a little shine on it. You know what I'm saying? This is the, what I was telling you in the last video. This is not what it says on the bottle. This is something special, something different. It's going to let y'all know what it is sooner or later. You know? Still got my little car wash jank. This ain't smell good, I'm telling you. This is like the best one for real, in my opinion. Y'all gotta get it. It smells so great. Then I got my own little hose, you know what I'm saying? I got the water hose ready to go. Go ahead, get it sprayed down. Go ahead, get it sprayed down, get a wash. But it's hot as the devil's toenail this month. So I'm about to go ahead and get this jank done. Like get straight to business. Let go. Alright, so first step, like always. Spray this all on my rims, all the wheels, you know. Make sure you spray it up there good. Turn it around, let's see that. Yeah. Hey, dirt, oh, I gotta let y'all see how dirty this car is. Dirt everywhere. Alright. Spray it on here. Ooh, that's dirty, man. Last tire. Now that's done. Now you gotta get the water hose and spray the whole car down. Let's get to it. Yeah, man, no cap. It's hot. It's deep. Got here. We gotta wash down. Now I gotta. I'm gonna let y'all see the war wounds in this car, man. Car went through hell, yo. You know, scratches. This Nissan is soldier, I ain't gonna lie to you. But yeah, we gonna go ahead and get this soap, put it in a bucket. I'm toasting out here, yo. I'm trying to stay light skinned. I'm about to get crispy out here. Go ahead and dump that in there. Come on, get out, get out. That should be enough. Go ahead, close that. Get this water hose, man. All good in there. If it was a little breeze out here, I'd be good. Like some type of wind or something. Oh shoot, I'm making a mess. Alright. Alright, so we done with that. Let's get this brush. Get this soap up here. So we can get out of here, yo. I'm toasting. I'm cooking. I can't die out here, man. Ain't nobody out here watching me. Everybody at work. I'm gonna be sitting out here for hours before they come get me. Alright, so let's get to it. Alright, so I got the soap on the car. It's clean. Got it everywhere. Some of the soap coming off because the sun is bright in the sun. But now it's time to rinse her off and do another wash. And Guess we're gonna get to the rim, so y'all don't go nowhere. Just like, subscribe, you know, share the video, and stay tuned. Now I put the soap up there the second time. Got the second wash. That's how to rinse her off. But the soap just sticking up there. It's looking weird on the windshield. But let's go ahead and now this is how I like to spray the car. I like to spray the top off first. You know, get that it didn't look like it was soap up there. Now you can see it coming off. Man, I'm out here sweating, yo. Sweat dripping down my face. It's cooking out here. It's cooking out here. They gotta hurry up, get this washed off. The next hit these rims. And then the car gonna be looking brand new. Shee. I need somebody to pass me a towel. I need some water or something. So I dug it out. Alright, so oh yeah, I gotta finish washing and spraying this other side down, and I'm gonna hit these wheels and show y'all what it's looking like brand new. Y'all just stay tuned, like, comment, subscribe, you know what I'm saying? Damn. Fuck. Alright, y'all like, comment, you know what I'm saying? Share this video. And just stay tuned. I'll be back. Alright, so I got the wheels. They all dirty. It was dripping off brown stuff. See, look. See that? It's sizzling. Y'all can't hear it sizzling, but these things was dirty. These things was real dirty. Real dirty. So look at that. Hey. But at least it's clean though. Look, I got that tank good. I was getting them tanks good. Yeah, now it's time to spray it down. Spray it down, spray it down. That's one tire. Two tires. Three tires. Now we got to go around to move on to the fourth. Ah, shit. Here we go. Fourth tire. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. They looking good, my boy. They looking obvious. Car looking so shiny, man. Wow. Yeah, see it. Boy, she needed it. She needed it. She needed that wash badly. She needed that joint. She really needed it. Alright, so now it's time to spray this stuff. Wipe these wheels. Y'all can see the little after effect. And then yeah, man. So y'all just like, don't go nowhere. Just share. Only way y'all go somewhere, if y'all gonna go somewhere, share the video before y'all. If y'all gonna go somewhere, you know, let somebody know about the video. Y'all wanna leave the video, go ahead and share. We almost done, so y'all ain't, you know, ain't too much of this video left. So y'all just go ahead, like, you know what I'm saying? Hit that bell button, notification. Get ready for another video coming up soon. And let's go ahead and get this finished. Get back to business, man. Alright, y'all. So y'all ready to see the ending? Y'all ready? Here you go. Cleanest Nissan on a block, you hear me? Still need to get something to fix this. You know, it's alright. Yeah, got my wheels all shiny. They ain't dirty no more. The mirrors all clean. Yo. Oh yeah. And this right here is still clean. You know, my top still nice and shiny. We're using that little cover. Boy. Wheels clean. No, the wheels still shiny. Got the windows clean. Yes, baby. Two great cars, you know. But this one right here ain't gonna be great for long. But this gonna stay great forever. You know, this gonna be the same. I might do something to this car. I don't know. I might do something to the car. I'm not sure yet. But yeah, that's gonna be the end of another video, man. Thank y'all for watching, you know, watching this to the end. Y'all just stay tuned for more videos. I'm gonna be making some more soon. I was gonna clean the inside of the cars, but man, it's hot. It's hot as out here, man. I can't do it. I gotta, you know, we gotta cut it right here, yo, cause it's too hot out here, man. I'm trying to stay light skin. I'm already getting black and dripping sweat. I'm dying out here, man. Well, yeah, we gonna go ahead and end the video right here. Y'all just stay tuned for, I might do it tomorrow, clean the insides of the car tomorrow. Not sure yet. But y'all just go ahead and like, you know, go ahead and comment from a scale 1 out of 10 how clean that is. And go ahead and subscribe, hit the bell. And also share this video to others. And again, thank you for watching this. And y'all just stay tuned for more videos. Got more coming soon. And yeah, like I said, next project is working on these wheels. So y'all get with y'all later. Peace out.